All right, so here it is, my Publix haul, Publix heist for the week. This is $149.19 for the goods. All said and done, I had a moneymaker overage of $10.53, and as always, the total includes the tax. Got to keep it real accurate on our coupon boast here. Week of February 15th, February 22nd, or sorry, February 16th to February 22nd, or February 15th to February 21st if you live upstate out of the state of Florida. So I've been doing this every week. So please subscribe to my channel so you can get these deals right away. Do the deals the rest of the week. Man, good deals here. About 15 or so good deals here. Let's get right into all these deals. Hopefully you can do these here. Nivea body wash. I did this in 3 transactions utilizing my $5 off of 40 competitor coupon. You know, you pretty much could have done this in one transaction, 2 transactions. But let me get right into it. And I want to kind of mention that because the Nivea body wash, I got 4 of these. I did 2 transactions, 2 in one transaction, 2 in the next transaction. Different store, by the way. But these are regular price for all 4 of these would have been $4.39. Factor the tax is $18.88 for those. It's just a regular price, no real sale price on this, but there are coupons. So first of all, I used this manufacturer coupon from the Save February 5th. It's $3 off of 2 Nivea body wash. It did say a limit of 1 in the same shopping trip. That's why I had to break this up into 2 transactions. And I also used 2 or 4 of these $2 off store coupons, extra savings store coupons, do good till February 24th. So I guess this deal can be valid till February 24th, pretty much on that. And add to that, coupons.com had $1 back on those, so that came off. As always, I got all my digital coupons clipped, as well as all my Ibotta rebates clipped, because there's a $2 Nivea face cream. I guess 2 of those came off, so that was another $2 to the good, just automatically when I line the edges up. Also, Fetch has, if you spend $20 in Nivea products, you get $6 back. And when I did the purchase of as well, 4 of them was $18.88 with the tax, a little, obviously 16 something or 17 something without the tax, and then these were $1.94 each for 2 of them, so that put me over that 20, and I got $6 back from coupons.com. So $6 back from coupons.com as well on those. So $18.88 spent, $6 from 2 of the manufacturer coupons, $8 from 4 of the $2 extra savings, $1 from coupons.com, $2 from Ibotta for the face cream came off by mistake. And then the $6 off came off from coupons.com, made that a $4.12 overage for those. And I guess these 2. Well, let me get into that deal. That was these are on sale. The regular price for these guys are $2.59 each. Factor the tax, it's $5.57 for this shave foam. You gotta get the foam, not the gel. They are on sale for $1.94. When you factor the tax for 2 of them, comes to $4.17. I used one of these from the same from the Save February 5th. Is a $2 off of 2 manufacturer coupon on 2 shave products. Ibotta has 75 cents back on both of them, so that was another $1.50 to the good. I did hit my Nivea bonus when I did these as well, so there's another $1 to the good, and that also helped me reach my $6 because I combined it with these on the coupons.com. So it was a 33-cent overage, not counting the $6 because I already factored that in there. So 33-cent overage for those and a $4.12 overage for those. So in total, $4.45 overage for all of those, the way that I did it in 2 transactions. All right, Fast Twitch. This is still free digital coupon, regular price, probably $2.99, but so $3.21 with the tax. It is on sale for $2.50, tax $2.69. You get $2.50 back. You don't get the tax back. You pay only 19 cents for these. Cinnamon Toast Crunch Cinnadust got dusted here. So regular price $3.25. So for all 4 of them would cost you $13. However, they're on sale this week, 2 for $10, so $2.50 each. So for 4 of them, cost $10. There is Swagbucks is giving you 200 Swagbuck points when you buy 2 of them, and you can do that twice. So that gave me 400 Swagbuck points, equivalent to $4. As well as Checkout 51 has $1 back on each jar. I like how they call them jars. So that's $4 also to the good. So for these, only $2 for this. And once again, it helped me build up to my $40. I went over $40 3 different times, just going over $40. So that helped me get another $15 off. Alka-Seltzer plus Night. If you can find these Night ones, it's a 6 count. Pretty tough to find, but I did find them. The regular price for these guys are $5.49 each. So for 2 of them is $10.98. There, from the Extra Savings book, there is a $2 off. And it does say Alka-Seltzer Plus 6 to 36 count. So I used 2 of those. That took $4 off. I also used 2 manufacturer printable coupons. I do not have that. I used them already. But I've got the link to print that below. You got to kind of sign up. Put an email in, sign up. And I used 2 of those $1 off manufacturer printable coupons. That gave me $2 to the good. And also Fetch has 200 Fetch points when you purchase 2 of these. And that gave me another $2 to good. So in total, for these guys, $2.98 total. For both of them are $1.49 each. All right, Tate's Cookies. Oh, yeah, every week. Got to do it. Got to do it. Got to do it. So there is a Publix digital coupon for these guys. I did this in one of the transactions. I bought 3 of them. Regular price is $1.25 each. So for 3 of them, $3.75. However, they're on sale for $1 each. So if you pick up 3 of them, that's $3. There is a Publix digital coupon for an absolutely free one, only limit of 1. So I got $1 to the good there. And Ibotta has $1 back on each bag, limit of 3. So I got $3 to the good. So made these 3 things a $1 overage right there. Capn Crunch Treats. I think this box got crunched in my car, but no worries there. Regular price for these guys are $4 each. So for 4 of them would be $16. They're on sale BOGO, so you get 4 of them, only cost you $8. There is very simple, Ibotta rebate $1.50 back on each box. That's $6 to the good, so only $2 total for these 4 boxes. Also helped me build up to my $40 threshold competitor coupon, so I got an extra $5 off. Now, if you're not familiar, competitor coupon is somewhere within the range of the store, within maybe like a 5-mile radius. Winn-Dixie, if you're up north, maybe Kroger or something like that, they'll accept. Just check your customer service. If you want one of these, I can maybe get one of these out to you guys. I sent a couple out in the mail last week. I actually had one really friendly store. The guy's like, "What competitor coupon do you have?" I said, "I have a Sprouts one." He's like, "Normally we don't take it, but we'll honor it for you. Just come on in." So it was good because I was able to find 2 of these at that store, which was harder to find at other stores. So thank you, the manager there. All right, Nutella. Regular price for these guys are $3.99 each. So the total is going to be $15.96 for 4 of them, 4 jars. These are more jars. Yeah, I can see that as a jar. But they're BOGO this week, so you get 4 of them, only cost you $7.98. There is a manufacturer coupon from the November 20th Smart Source. It takes $1.25 off. There's also one that takes 75 cents off. I used the $1.25 one off, and it did not come to me. Yes, I purchased it, and I have the link to purchase that below. So I can give you that, where that link is below, where you can buy them. I think it was 30 cents each for each of them. So I got to take off about $1.50 off of my overage. So I guess I had an $9 and 3 cent overage, because it cost me about $1.50 for 4 of those coupons. But definitely worth it to that, because there was an Ibotta rebate that also gives you $1 back on each jar, limit of 5, so I got $4 back on that. Made that $1.02 overage for those 4 Nutellas. All right, Smarty Pants. Haha. So Smarty Pants vitamins, man, they really pushing these guys. And hey, For this 90 count Smarty Pants Kids Vitamins, the price of this is $15.99. However, they are on sale a little bit, so they're down to $12.74. And their Swag Bucks is giving you back 500 Swag Buck points. That's equivalent to $5 if you buy one of them. If you buy two of them, you get 1,200 points. But I bought one of them, and you'll see why. Because also, Checkout 51 is giving you like $5. I believe it's $5.64. I didn't look at that. Right, it's either $5.64, $5.87, something like that. $5.64. I put $5.64. Checkout 51 rebate gives you that, so it's $5.64 to the good. It is a limit of one, so that's why I only bought one. And there is a $3 manufacturer coupon. Listen to this, from the January Unilever, which is this guy right here. So, if you're a good couponer, you save your inserts till every coupon in there has expired. And every single coupon in this coupon book has expired. For some reason, this one expires March 5th, so I was able to dig that out. Every other one expires January 21st. And good thing I looked at pretty much all of them, because that came in handy. That gave me a 90-cent overage on that Smarty Pants right there. All right, keep it going. Colgate toothpaste regular price for these guys are $2.19 each. They definitely went up. They're a little less than that. $2.19 each for these guys. So the regular price for four of them, when you factor the tax, should be $9.42. I did do this in two transactions. I got two at a time in the two of the different transactions. So if you're gonna do it, probably only get two of them. They are BOGO this week, so it came to $4.71 for these four. I used two of these $4 off, or sorry, two of these $2 off manufacturer coupons from the Smart Source February 5th. So that gives me $4 to go and make these four tubes, only 71 cents. Also helped me build up to my 50. Now, when I looked at the fine print, I did not realize that it does exclude cavity protecting baking soda, peroxide. So that might have been this one and that one. But it scanned good, no problem. You know, usually when you have these colorful insert coupons, they usually just scan them. You know, you usually don't read everything. So, and that was the case. They just scanned them. So hopefully you won't have any worries or problems there. Swoon Drink. I actually did this yesterday when they were BOGO, but I want to put it on there because you could get three of them totally free. $2.29 each for these guys. Factor the tax is $7.39. There is an aisle rebate that gives you 3 free ones, so that gave me $6.87 back into my Venmo, so making them only 52 cents, which was the tax. And I've got the link for that. I got the link for all these printable coupons below, and of course a wonderful detailed breakdown of everything I'm saying. So check that below the video. Hit that more right below the video, and you might have to hit more again, and you'll get all the info. Might have to click that ad off of there. All right, Ken's Simply Vinaigrette, probably the worst deal on the table, but hey, it's here. So these are regular price, are $4.29 each. So for two of them, you're looking at $8.58. However, they're BOGO. So whenever it's BOGO and you use a coupon, it's a great deal. Anyways, regular price, or so I got both of these for $4.29, as I mentioned, because they are BOGO. And there is a $1 off. I believe it's from the Smart Source January 29th. And I used two of those. So $1 off any Ken's Simply Vinaigrette. There's a limit of 2, so I used 2 of those. I took $2 off, made my $4.29 come down to only $2.29 for both of them. All right, Airwick starter kit. I did this deal before. Oops, I did it again. The voice talent is definitely not there, but the free groceries are. Yes. Airwick Essential Mist Starter Kit. Regular price for this guy is $12.99. Factor the tax, $13.96. Publix digital coupon gives you $6 back. Coupons.com also has a $6 rebate. So you can do that. $1.96 total for that guy. Simple gum. Oh man, I don't have the manufacturer printable out here, but the regular price for this simple gum, which is it's kind of interesting shapes here, but regular price for this is $3.21. Factor the tax, $3.45. It's on sale for $2.50. Factor the tax on $2.50 is $2.69. There's a manufacturer printable coupon that takes $1 off. We'll link to print that below. And Ibotta also has $1 back, so $2.69 spent for it. $1 from the manufacturer printable, $1 back from Ibotta, makes it only 69 cents. Finally, So Delicious Simply. There's a Publix digital coupon for a free one, and Ibotta also has $1.50 back, making that $1.50 overage. Now, I did not have, I had used my, I wanted to mention this deal. It's not in my breakdown, but I believe it expires on the 17th. I had used mine, so I had no more left of these. But this is also a free Publix digital coupon with 75 cents to Ibotta. And this is also a free Publix digital coupon with either 50 cents from Ibotta or $1 back from Ibotta. So if it's $1 back from Ibotta, they're on sale for $1 this week. So it's going to be completely free. But I did not have my Publix digital coupon, so I did not get those this time. But wanted to mention it if you still got it in your Publix digital account. So once again, $150 worth of goods, over a $10 overage money maker. Once again, please subscribe to that funny looking guy right there. More of my pay to shop videos. As I said, I'm gonna try every week to upload a video on Thursday. I'll throw some other fun videos in there. Everybody enjoy their couponing this week.